유세차임이 한기가 엄청나네.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Hidden Chronicle podcast. Hidden Chronicle, where we uncover hidden stories that are rarely told. In each episode, we take you on a deep journey through mysterious tales, forgotten histories, and burning secrets. Prepare yourself to explore the hidden side of this world with us. Happy listening and let's start this adventure together. In this episode, I'm going to discuss a highly recommended horror film. Yeah, that's Exhuma.
누가 할머니 이 가지고 있네.
미국에 좀 이상한 집안에 다녀왔거든요. 밑도 끝도 없는 뭐 그냥
부자예요?
시작이 좋네.
내가 한 40년 단파 먹고 살았지만
But I'm not alone today. I'm accompanied by a special guest, one of my followers. Here is Mela.
Hello, and Hidden Chronicle friends.
By the way, Mel, I'm curious about how other viewers feel after watching this film. From my perspective, it's really intriguing because of this unique storyline that incorporates history element. How do you think about this film, Mel?
Okay, in my opinion, this movie is really exciting because it was made several years ago, but can still be delivered to the audience neatly and clearly. Even though there are many conspiracy theories that require and viewers to solve. I believe for those who love horror movies with many conspiracy, Exhuma is highly recommended to watch.
Right, I agree your opinion. Among the exciting scan, my favorite is the one during the ritual of exhuming the coffin, where there's a family paranormal dancing and drinking chicken blood. It looks very, very sacred. The ritual has several layers of meaning that can be interpreted, including respecting local traditional and beliefs, asking for protection, creating a tense atmosphere, and symbolizing death and resurrection, and foreshadowing something that is about to happen. Do you know, Mel? In Indonesia, are there any ritual like that?
I don't know, but maybe it's just something similar in like that.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Right. Maybe yeah, that's right. Maybe there is, but we just don't know. Yeah. By the way, Mel, could you tell me a little about the scan that left you speechless? What exactly gave you chills? What do you think about this?
Okay, I think because general who went to the Pixty to look for the people there, so because general arranged the business seriously. I felt really disgusted because there was so much big blood mix, and this is where with the motor I can imagine how it's similar or how flavored it was.
안에서 뭐가 나왔다고 이 사람아.
뭐가 나왔다고 거기서. 겁나 험한 게.
Yeah, exactly. Maybe a lot of people feel the same way as you, almost wanting to throw up. I also feel quite disgusted. And so, guys, we can tell you now that in Exhuma, there are actually a lot of conspiration theories that make it impossible to understand by watching just one. Among them is the iron stake that prevents in general from dying, the Paris, the folk ones, the tiger bag, and the screens of number 383417 and 1283289. And all of this really have theories behind them.
There is a conflict between Japan and the Korean Peninsula when North Korea and South Korea were still united. And the shape of the island looked like this. It resembled a tiger, and the Paris, the poke once like tigers peak refers to this, and the red mark shows where the iron stake was planted, and right on the tiger peak, the number mentioned by the rich man are actually the coordinate of where the iron stake was driven, guys. And you can search it on Google, guys. It's real, guys. And as for the folk, it turned out to be the Morn, who is the mastermind behind all this, Jesus. And which in Japanese it's Kitsune. And many foxes. And the mark made the iron shake.
Yeah, I also did expect that there will be a film with such strong conspiracy theories. Hopefully, there will be film like that in Indonesia, yeah, because the culture around such thing is still very strong here.
Yeah, I hope as soon as possible, and it's that the case, guys.
Okay, everyone. I think that's enough discussion for this episode. Thank you so much, Mela, for accompanying me in this episode. Okay, and thank you to all the podcast listeners. I'm Fedrita. See you again in the next podcast episode. Bye.